up.
You're on the Rockpreneur YouTube channel.
It is the next day, and this studio is pretty much done. I have everything plugged in. I have everything set up. We have our 3 vocal microphones here, which are all using an ND767A microphone. We have our Peavey monitors on the floor. We have these sweet Bose LS1 audio systems here, which will provide some more monitoring for the vocals. We have our sweet G&L bass, which will run through this KB100 keyboard here for monitoring. We have all our guitars. This is a nylon string, Yamaha nylon string silent guitar. This is a steel string version of it. These are fantastic for recording because you just get a really nice acoustic guitar sound without dealing with any room noise or exterior noise or microphones. You just plug it in and go. It's really nice. Of course, my electric guitars and my old Strat, Mexican Strat. It's pretty sweet. This is my 1974 Mahogany Gibson Les Paul Special Classic 55 reissue. I think that's what it is anyway. And of course, we're running the electric guitars through the Peavey Classic 30, which you guys have seen. We're miking the front and we're miking the back here as well. This here is the Yamaha EMX512SC. This is a great powered mixer. I'm running the monitors off this, and over here we've got our Roland interface that I showed you guys earlier. I have a MacBook Pro. That's where the music and the video gets mixed and published. You can see we've got a camera here. We've got a camera up here on the light rack. We have all these lights. Now these lights are really cool because you can change the colors. I can turn them off. I can turn them into blue. I can turn them into blue, green, aqua color. I can turn them into green. We can go orange, red, and full white. So this is really cool. This here is the foot switch I'm using. It's a MBT SCX 101 DMX foot controller. And I've manually wired these up with DMX cables, which are basically like XLR cables, similar. But don't quote me on that. It works. Okay, guys, that's the important thing. Real quick, this is the Roland Stratocaster. I love watching this thing boot up. Check this out. Oh, just lights up like a Christmas tree. So sick, so nice. I'm going to do the test run right now to make sure everything's recording properly. This is my recording software. It's Logic Pro X. And as you can see, I have all of these channels set up for the instruments. These first 3 are the vocals, acoustic guitar, we have the drums, electric guitar, bass, 2 empty slots, and then the piano, which is gonna be MIDI. So to test this, I'm gonna hit the record button, and you should see blips in the audio signal on the channels that I'm testing. So let's give this a shot. This is vocals number 1. This is vocals number 2. And this is gonna be the vocals for the bass. Now we're going over here to the drums. Here's the kick and the snare. Tom 1, Tom 2, Tom 3, hi-hat. Ride. Now we're going to jump to the acoustic guitar. That's obviously not in tune. Now we're going to go to the electric guitar. All right, let's see how we did, folks. Now let's just double check the MIDI for the keyboard. And if that works, then we're good to go. Everything works. Here we go. Let's see if this works. You should see lines show up as MIDI. And there you have it, folks. Did it show up? Sure did. Look at that right there, folks. That's our keyboard. So, aside from missing a cable, everything friggin' works. Last but not least, this is a live stream audio video production studio. So what we've done is, well, we're here in Humboldt and the internet's not super good, so we got this. Oh, baby. That is friggin' Starlink. That's what we'll be streaming through. I already put it on the roof. I'm gonna put some footage of it right here. And it was pretty easy to install. You basically just point it at the sky, plug it in, and you're good to go. So we've actually hardwired the computer into the network system, which I built in the building here, right there. That's Cat 6. That'll should provide us plenty of bandwidth for our live streams. Welcome back, guys. I'm CJ, and I'm here in my studio here that I just built in another video that you guys saw. I'm here with Daniel, and I'm here with Bella, and we're going to test out the new system today. We're going to just record some music and see what happens, and hopefully everything works, because I haven't fully tested this thing yet. I think it'll work. All right, here we go. So we'll want probably all three of these vocals then, and we'll want, which one do you want to use, or do you want to use them both?
Yeah, I'll try the Nylon, bro, just because, yeah, I like that.
That's super cool. I've never seen a guitar like that.
Thank you, bro.
Like, you know, no body. These mic stands are nice.
Brand new.
Damn, where'd you get them?
Brand new, Amazon.
Oh,
yeah.
We're breaking in
Yeah.
the studio.
Breaking in.
Studio. That's like an awesome. That's awesome.
Honor, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm an honor.
We're excited. I'm super excited. We're excited.
Yeah.
Which,
Yeah,
don't be surprised if there's any bugs, because that will
Oh,
happen.
no,
Yeah,
we're
okay.
starting to be part of getting a dial, bro.
Right.
So, yeah.
We gotta dial those first.
Is there any chance you were recording that just now? We're on now, yes.
That's awesome.
Sounds like that.
Yeah.
Yep.
We gotta get you on face. Where you at? You said
There'll
it.
be bugs.
That's what's up.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Styling.
This is beautiful.
Bro, everything is so beautiful in here, bro.
Stratocaster, you should play
Oh, the
this.
Stratty
That's
TV.
right.
Give me
Yeah,
one.
got that Peavey
I got a
Classic
good.
right there.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that'll be fun too. Yes, dude.
Dude, yes.
Chris, you're the man,
Yeah,
bro.
this place is sweet. It's
Yeah.
super cool.
Nobody wants you like I ain't here for change your mind. Oh yeah. Sogno, la vita sogno. Sogno, la vita sogno. Give it love. She keep on looking and she keep on cooking it. I got some food for some thought. She got the fire to the pen. I got some food for some thought. She got the fire to the pen. I got some food for some thought. She got some fire for the pen. She keep me cooking. She take it, keep it looking.
There's the studio, guys. So stoked on this. This will basically be the headquarters for a new musical project that I'm really excited to announce that's coming up here. I will be throwing an event here. I'll have Humboldt musicians coming to the event, and hopefully I'll be starting a new band with some of these guys. It should be a pretty sweet gig.
Forever, keep it going forever. River bending, but go till you touch out the sea. You and me, we forever. We going forever. We be flowing forever. The river bending, but bend till you touch out the sea.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
Yo.
Thank you so much to Daniel and Bella for coming out tonight and
Yo.
testing the studio with me.
Goodbye.
We had a great time. It was an awesome
Good
jam.
vibes.
You guys saw some
Thank
of
you
it.
to Chris here, making
Thank
this
you,
all
Chris.
Thank you guys for
dope
coming.
and possible.
Yeah.
Setting up the sweet space
Thank
to
you,
create
Thank you, music.
Thank you, music.
and
Thank
speak
you.
Music is for all of
face.
us.
Yes.
Speak face.
Speak face.
You heard it first here,
Heard
ladies
it
and
first
gentlemen.
here.
Right
From
here.
Daniel, Speak Face.
Speak face.
Peace out. Rock on.
Good night.
Yeah.
I love it.
Thank you guys so much for checking out my video on setting up this awesome studio. If you guys like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. In addition to that, we have a merch store with these awesome Work Smart Rock Hard t-shirts, as well as another t-shirt that says Music is my healing. We will be adding more t-shirts down the line, so don't worry, these aren't the only ones we're gonna have in the future. Check out the web store at rockpreneur.com.